In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and gracious. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to you all. Well, students, in your previous online class, we talked about your winter task. We discussed your winter task. And our today's online class, we are going to discuss unit number 11. Our today's topic is unit number 11, page 58. Okay, fine, students. The title of this lesson is Working for a Better World. So, what does it mean? It means to serve humanity in order to make the world a good place. It means to make sacrifices for others. It means to sacrifice your wealth. It means to sacrifice your own life. It means to sacrifice your own family just for the sake of people, just to serve people, just to help them in the hour of need. So, in our today's lesson, we are going to discuss the two great personalities who serve humanity. So, come to the point. Working for a better world. Imagine two young children, a girl and a boy, born about 100 years ago. The girl was born in Albania and her real name was Agnes, which means holy in Greek. The boy was born in South Africa and his middle name was Rolhelala, meaning troublemaker in Xhosa. Dear students, the correct pronunciation of this word is Xhosa. Ka sound is there, Xhosa. He belonged to the African Thembu tribe. Agnes became a nun with the name Sister Teresa. Some people pronounce this word Teresa. Some people pronounce this Teresa. So both are correct. Teresa. Later, Mother Teresa. So, dear students, this is the introductory paragraph. In this paragraph, our characters are introduced. Imagine two young children, a girl and a boy, born about 100 years ago. The girl was born in Albania. The girl refers to Mother Teresa, and she was born in Albania, and her real name was Agnes, which means holy in Greek. It is a Greek word and it means holy. The boy was born in South Africa, and his middle name was Rolhelala, means troublemaker. So, troublemaker means the one who causes trouble in Xhosa. Mother Teresa was born in Albania and Nelson Mandela was born in Xhosa. He belonged to the African Thembu tribe. Agnes became a nun with the name Sister Teresa, later Mother Teresa, and she became a nun. Nun is a religious character. It is a religious character. Okay, fine. Para number 2. Mother Teresa and Nelson Mandela were two great humanitarians. A humanitarian is a person who fights injustice and works for the happiness of others. Mother Teresa fought against poverty. Nelson Mandela fought against apartheid, a racist political system in which white people kept all the power and wealth for themselves. Mandela was jailed from 1962 to 1990 for his campaign. People worldwide admire these two great heroes. Both were awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for their work for peace and justice. So, dear students, some people pronounce this word Nobel. It is not Nobel, it is Nobel. Nobel Peace Prize. Nobel Peace Prize. Okay, fine. So here we are told that who were they? Mother Teresa and Nelson Mandela were two great humanitarians. Dear students, humanitarian is a person who loves humanity. Humanitarian means a philanthropist, the one who serves humanity or the one who loves humanity, the one who sacrifices his life for the sake of people. So they were also philanthropists. Mother Teresa fought against poverty. Though the people who were poor, she helped them. She helped the poor. While on the other hand, Nelson Mandela fought against apartheid. Dear students, it is a system in which the power and wealth is kept by the white people and the rights of black people are suppressed by the white people. So, dear students, Nelson Mandela was jailed. He was imprisoned from 1962 to 1990 because he started a movement against that system in which the power and wealth was in the hands of white people. So, he started a movement against that system. So, these are the two great protagonists, and people appreciated their efforts because they fought against injustice and they were also rewarded the Nobel Peace Prize for their great work, for their great efforts. So, dear students, there are some facts about these two heroes, these two humanitarians, and the facts are Mother Teresa facts. Was born on 26 August 1910 in Albania. Where she was born? She was born in Albania on 26 August 1910. 1910. Left Albania at 18 to come to Ireland. She left Albania at the age of 18 and she came to Ireland. Joined the Loreto nuns in Dublin. Dear students, as I have told you, nun is a religious character and she became a nun. Traveled to Kolkata in India in 1929. She came to India in 1929. Worked as a teacher and helped the poor set up the missionaries of charity in 1905 1950. Okay, fine. So she worked as a teacher and helped the poor who were here in India, in Kolkata. Set up the missionaries devoted to missions. When a person devotes himself to missions of charity, charity means sympathy, mercy, etc. Okay, fine. Lived with the poor in Kolkata. What did she do in India? She lived with the poor. Was awarded a Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 and she was given the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979. Died on 5th September 1997 and she died in 1997. Okay, fine. Now we have Nelson Mandela facts. Was born on 18 July 1918 in South Africa. Became a lawyer and politician. Lawyer, you know the meaning of lawyer. The one who studies law, and politician means the one uh, who goes for politics. Was a boxer and a marathon runner in college. Marathon means a long distance race. He was a boxer and he used to participate in uh, a long distance race in college when he was in college. Fought against apartheid. Dear students, as I have told you, apartheid means the system in which all the power and wealth is kept by the white people. Joined the African National Congress ANC, it's the abbreviation for African National Congress in 1944. He joined African National Congress in 1944, was imprisoned and received one letter and one visitor every 6 months, was elected president of South Africa at the age of 75. So he became the president of South Africa at the age of 75. Was awarded a Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. He was given the Nobel Peace Prize in 1993. So it was all about your unit number 11. Okay, fine, students. So I have prepared some words meanings, some meanings of the difficult words from this unit. So let me share it with you people. Words meanings. Agnes, the pronunciation is Agnes. Agnes means holy. Troublemaker, troublemaker, the one who causes trouble. Tribe, tribe means family, family or race. Family or race. Humanitarian, philanthropist, philanthropist. Injustice, absence of justice. Apartheid, racial, racial segregation. Racial segregation. Racist, prejudice. Campaign, movement. Awarded, rewarded. Justice, fairness or impartiality. Worldwide, global. Admire, appreciate. None, a religious character. Charity, sympathy or mercy. Missionaries, devoted to a mission. Devoted to a mission or devoted to missions. Marathon, a long distance race. Okay, fine, students. Now I am going to give you your homework. So you have to prepare your title page like this. Unit 11, page 58. Working for a better word. Words meanings, word sentences, question answers, comprehension passage, book exercises. You have to prepare it in a perfect way because you are going to write in your neat notebooks. Now you should note your homework. Homework. Prepare a title page for unit number 11, page 58 in neat notebooks. Secondly, write the meanings of these words in neat notebooks. So these are the words and you are supposed to write the meanings of these words. First of all, troublemaker. 2, humanitarian. 3, injustice. 4, campaign. 5, admire. Reading. In reading, you have to read unit number 11, the same unit, page 58, and dictation, unit number 11, page 58. So dear students, underline these words for your dictation. First of all, we have Agnes, Greek, troublemaker, Kosa, tribe, none, Mother Teresa, Nelson Mandela, humanitarian, happiness, apartheid, racist, campaign, awarded, injustice, traveled, missionaries, charity.